This video from Sam4s Help, we're going to show how to set up and use your SPS-2300 touchscreen till system for the first time. So on this system I've got the SPS here, I've got a giant 100 thermal receipt printer, and I've got a 24 volt cash drawer. I haven't got a kitchen printer, but other than that the setup's fairly standard. So the key document you should have is the SPS Quick Start guide, which basically tells you where to plug everything in, and the key diagram is this one here. So this diagram refers to the underside of the till, basically where all the ports are. So we can see the receipts printer is going into COM1, the power supply for the till itself is going into DC in 12V, and the cash drawer, this can throw people, this is on the side here. You probably can't see it in the video, but it's the first connector there, but there are other similar ports on the back area of the till which people sometimes plug into and then wonder why the cash drawer's not working. So I'll start with making sure the printer's set up correctly. So first of all we need to connect the printer to the till. So as it says in the diagram, COM1, this end of the cable is going into COM1 on the till, and then on the back of the printer we need to pop this end of the cable into serial. So if you look on the underside, turn it around that way, it says serial, so it's simply pop that in. We've then got a power supply that we need to put into the back of the printer. So with the printer and the SPS you'll have received a power supply and then a cable, so obviously they need connecting together. Plug goes into the mains, and then this bit goes into the back of the printer to give it the power. You should be able to see on the connector there's a larger hole there, so that means that the flat end of the power supply cable needs to go in facing down, and that's connected. And then this end of the cable goes into COM1 on the underside of the till. You're not going to be able to see this in the video, but it's exactly as per the diagram with the till. I won't tighten that up yet. Obviously in the long run you'll tighten it up, but you just want to make sure that everything's connected and working before you do that. The cash drawer comes with one of these cables, and it just simply plugs in like the serial cable in the back of the printer, just into this first port here on the side. Hear it click into place. So I've already connected the power, so the till power goes in here, DC in 12 volt, so that's the same similar power supply to the printer, so it's two-part, put them together, pop it in there. So now we should be in a position to connect everything to the mains. So when you've got everything connected up, you can then turn the till on by pressing this button here. It lights up as blue, and then you should be away to go. The first time you load it up, I guess it takes 45 seconds or so to load up. We've got our cash drawer connected, receipt printer powered up and connected. Till's loaded up. Then this icon here, Sam Touch, just double tap that and your till program should load up. There we go, so there's the home screen. Yours will probably look different to this. So Clark 1 will just pop through a quick sale. cash that off. So till drawer fires and the receipt prints out, so we've got everything set up ready to go. So yeah, I hope that video's been helpful. Please check out the other videos appearing on screen now, because we'll post, there'll be a lot with how to use and get the best out of your touchscreen till system. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.